According to the tales and legends, the beginning of Chinese New Year started with a mythical beast called the nian. So nian would eat villagers, especially children. Once a year, all the villagers decided to hide from this beast. But an old man appeared before the villagers went into hiding, and he said that he's going to stay the night and decided to get revenge on nian. Now, all the villagers thought that he was insane. The old man would put red papers and set off firecrackers. The day after the villagers came back to town to see, nothing was destroyed. They assumed that the old man was a deity who came to save them from this beast. And the villagers understood that nian was afraid of the color red and loud noises. When the new year was about to come, the villagers would wear red clothes, they would hang red lanterns and red spring scrolls on their windows and doors. Now, people used firecrackers to frighten away the nian. And nian never came to the village again. You know, the nian was eventually captured by this Taoist monk. After that, legends has it that this dragon retreated to the mountains and was lost over a period of time.
So Chinese New Year is the Chinese festival that celebrates the beginning of a new year on the traditional Chinese calendar. The festival is usually referred to as a spring festival in mainland China and in one of the several lunar new year in Asia. Traditionally take place from the evening preceding the first day of the year of the Lalting festival, held on the 15th day of the year. The first day of Chinese New Year begins on the new moon that appears between 21st January to 20th February. In 2019, the first day of the Chinese New Year will be on Tuesday, 5th February, and initiating that this is the year of the pig.
So with that, myself and Manish from GeeksPulse would like to wish you a happy new year.
And Kung Si Fa Chai.
So with that, take care.
Take care.